We ride on the taxi, water taxi going downtown. They are here now. So this is what exploring downtown Seattle. Got all these seagulls. We need to watch. They're going to poop on us. And they're all flying. Yeah, seagull. Oh. Yeah. We're going to. Oh my God! This is chicken. Chicken. Oh my goodness. Going to this taxi. Hi! Aroy, what is this? Are we drunk? Ay! Ha? It's moving. Watch out! It's moving. So we look like drunk. Okay, line start here. Please wait. They're directed. Okay, please wait. Okay now. Taxi. We are now in the taxi. Taxi boat. Wow. Water taxi. Anita and Cheryl. You got morning sickness?
Are you pregnant?
Okay, I thought that's why I heard. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So yeah, you're now in my YouTube now. You're taking
Subscribe sa iyong YouTube, guys.
YouTube. Subscribe ka dahil ha. Big and mochi dahil.
Okay.
Lost your camera.
Oh. Oh man.
Oh yeah, the city.
Ah, the city.
Let's do this one first.
Oh, this one here first. Okay. Okay now. We are here. We're leaving. Aroy, up. Up.
That's fun. That's like another listen.
We're turn around. Upper deck capacity. Taxi rider Las Pisnedon. Among bagong amigas. Hi, Day. Gikan sa Hawaii. Yung mga pamilya. Oh. We're in the park.
I was thinking that. I was thinking differently. I was thinking.
She's from New York.
Why you're in the back? Why you are in the back?
I love so hard. I just got it
We're supposed to go on the
yesterday.
living archive. Going down.
Yeah. Yeah.
the seal, huh? The seal is there. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, Day. Okay, here comes the Inday Guapa now. Nice meeting you guys. Okay, enjoy your day today. Yeah, thank you. Exit. Yeah, yeah. Hey guys, Anita, Cyril.
We're here in the waterfront.
Yes, we're gonna walk. Okay,
For the day.
for the day.
Walking for an hour.
Walking
We're in the city of Seattle.
city of Seattle. Yes,
Seattle.
Seattle. Yes, you're my tour guide.
Am I your tour guide? I don't know where to go.
Well, follow you.
She will.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, Cheryl is the tour guide. Cheryl is my tour guide. It's Washington State Ferries. Right there, Washington Ferries.
There's the orchid there.
Okay, where are you guys going?
Elevator. Oh, you can go over there. Elevator.
Oh, look at all the cars.
You get on the ferry.
I know, right?
Actually, I can get my mom.
What?